My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so first of all, I want to know which eye look you guys prefer or would like to see me do a tutorial of. So this one is a like bluish purple and silver halo eye with kind of a cat eye effect. And this one is like pink with a really pretty light pink pressed glitter. So let me know which one you guys prefer. But real quick, I wanted to, so the brand of magnetic eyelashes that I really liked, which I got from Amazon, and the brand's Ari Shine, but I lost the magnetic glue, so I needed to get another one. I ended up getting a different set. This one actually was cheaper, number one, and it comes with, let me show you, 2 magnetic eyeliners and 5 sets of lashes, plus the lash applicator. So I already put 2 coats of the magnetic eyeliner on. I just wanted to pop on each of the lashes real quick so you guys could see the different styles. So style number 1, right here. Okay, so this is style number 1. I really like this, actually. Hold on, let me get some more light in here. Okay, this is style number 1. So here is style number 2. These are a little bit fuller, a little bit more dramatic, which is definitely my style. So I had a call out of work all week. I had this like excruciating, like deep, sharp pain in the left side of my back that like just came out of nowhere. And so I went to go see my doctor, and I had to have 6 steroid injections. He's like, you have a severe like muscle sprain. Like, he was calling in the nurses to come look at my back because there was such a visible difference from my left to my right side. So I'm supposed to be taking it easy. This is me taking it easy. Okay, so this is, ow, not funny though. This is style number 2. I really like these ones. Alright, the next ones here is style number 3. These have like more separation in the lashes, so they're not going to be as like dramatic. But they are pretty long and like wispy. Okay, this is style number 3. I actually like these a lot more than I was expecting to. Okay, so style number 4. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like these. They're very full and long and dramatic. So here is style number 4. They're really pretty. I thought I was gonna like them more than I do. No, I like them. I just like them to be a little bit fuller, but these are very long and feminine. And here is style number 5. They're a little bit shorter, but they're more dense, so maybe I'll like these a little bit more. Oh yeah, these are definitely my vibe. Nice and thick and full and dramatic. So I've really been loving the magnetic liner and lashes. So here are the pros and cons in my opinion. Pros, you don't have to use lash glue. It is awesome. It's still a little bit more difficult than just regular eyeliner to get off, but nothing like trying to get lash glue off. Number 2, I really like that, wait, I'm doing pros. I really like that the application is so easy. If you can put on eyeliner, you can put on lashes. So I think this is going to be an amazing product for anyone who has struggled with lash application but still wants to wear lashes. And number 3, you don't have to clean them like regular lashes. Regular lashes, they will get like eyeshadow and glitter on the lash band that you have to clean off. But because this is sticking straight to the magnetic eyeliner, you're not getting eyeshadow on it, which is great. All right, cons. I mean, you're not gonna be able to buy like the specific style of lashes you want. Like, yes, a lot of them come with, you know, different styles like this, but I'm not going to be able to wear like my velour Shio lashes that I adore. Would you like that little rhyme there? But it's kind of like, you know, do I want to have an easier application and be more comfortable? Or so I'll go back and forth. I'll still wear regular lashes, but I've been really liking these. Another con is you have to put like 2 to 3 layers of the eyeliner on for it to stick, and sometimes it can start to like not become as magnetic on the edges. But as long as you put a good amount of layers on, they will usually last for a pretty long time. And here's another pro that I didn't include, the price. I got 5 pairs of lashes and 2 eyeliners for $15, whereas there's lashes out there for $30. You know, I could get 2 sets of these for the price of 1 pair of lashes. So that's just my thoughts on these lashes, and I've really been liking it. Alright, so I'm going to go finish resting. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me try these lashes on.